Hey there, Marianne here, and I'd like to welcome you to my hiking and backpacking channel. In this video, I'm joined by 3 Tahoe Rim Trail Association guides, LaTrenda, Debbie, and Joanne. We're hiking a section of the Tahoe Rim Trail from Kingsbury North to Spooner Summit South. I've included a link in to the TRTA website in the description below. Please be sure and check out their website. They have really good trail maps, they have current trail conditions, and a list of hikes that are guided by the volunteers. LaTrenda will be leading a hike through this section in a couple weeks, so she wanted to check out the trail conditions. As you may know, California has had a massive amount of snow this past winter, so we expected a little snow on the trail. So let's check it out. On to the hike.
I remember 2 packets going out. I only know learned about them because for putting packets together. I take a pack of peanuts and put it in the car.
Yeah.
Do you want to?
Spending the night at the car lake in Whitney, like all the way down to Whitney Portal. That is one big long path. Closing up camp and climbing up the side of Whitney is enough in its own. And then summiting it. Take that trail in the dark at night. I can't imagine. I may not keep doing that with you. I'd probably see at the Catskills where you can walk with the did she had the young people, and this was a group from those people locals from the Boys and Girls Club.
working job. So you're working more, longer without exercise compensation for,
Almost melted out. Trail maintenance crew.
I have fallen
Yeah,
on the round ones.
you catch a toe on it.
Yeah, and then caught my toe into a longer piece and got tripped up in it. And
Yeah, that leaves a mark, doesn't it?
so is it, do you leave the trails? It's right there. Oh, it goes this way. Might go up before we see it now. It goes right through there. It looks like through there.
Through where?
Like right.
Right through here?
It goes there to the right of that tree in the middle.
There it is.
My GPS says 5.
might have been trail markers because there's one standing up over there. Well, I guess we're turning around. What a bummer. But better safe than sorry. We need to get lost out in the woods.
I hope you agree it was a beautiful hike. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button below. I would super appreciate your support. And if you don't want to miss the next installment or next video, please be sure to hit that little bell next to subscribed. I hope you have an awesome day. Hike on, Trailblazers.